You can see my screen now. My screen is
Yes, sir.
visible to you. Yeah. So the topic that I have planned to discuss today is pattern matching in SQL. All the topics of your syllabus has already been completed. Okay. These topics means that are included in your syllabus. I have discussed all of them with examples, with some numerical problems. So you just need to do revise them. You have got all the lectures, but what are the other topics that I am going to discuss from today itself are some extra topic that you have to know as a part of advanced database management system. So today's topic, pattern matching in SQL, is a kind of such advanced topic. So I'm going to start it. So first of all, what do you understand by the term pattern? So there is a term pattern. I hope you have heard at least for once. So patterns means what? Some particular structure that is being followed throughout the data, or that can be found in the data or in a particular graph. So this pattern may be found anywhere where you try to analyze the data and try to find some intelligence out of it. Okay, like suppose you have a table, student, right? Student table, we have student ID, say student name, say student address. Now, what happens that I want to know all the students' name whose address is, say, Jorhat. So that Jorhat that I have just mentioned will be acting like a pattern for my query. जी भाई साहब, मैं क्या समझाना चाह रहा हूँ कि ये जो जोड़हात हैं, मैंने क्या सर्च किया? What I have just searched, I try to find out the names of those students who are residing in Jorhat. So the SA is equal to Jorhat. This Jorhat now can be treated as a pattern for this particular search. Similarly, suppose you want to find all those students' names whose names started with, say, AB. ओके, मैं वो सारे स्टूडेंट्स का नाम फाइंड आउट करना चाहता हूं जिसका नाम जो है स्टार्ट किससे हो रहा है आपका? ए बी. तो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा मेरे लिए? व्हाट विल बी ए बी फॉर मी नाउ?
Pattern.
पैटर्न. वेरी गुड. ठीक है. तो ये तो मैंने एग्जांपल दिया विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू आवर डेटाबेस. तो दिस पैटर्न, दिस वर्ड इज actually a very important word that you will find in a paper that is known as what? Pattern recognition. Okay, that paper itself belongs to the area of artificial intelligence. Now, this pattern matching in SQL will go through several commands. We'll try to discuss them. We'll try to discuss one more topic, that is data warehouse. So I hope you all are ready for that. Can I suppose it, Joe?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The pattern matching clauses enables you to create expressions useful in wide range of analysis. That's we have seen this. That what is pattern, why we need to use this pattern. We have just seen through an example. Now let's try to have an idea about pattern matching in data warehouse. Okay. How many of you have heard this term data warehouse before?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Krishna, you have heard it. Very good. So data warehouse is a training term that you will find in a domain known as business analytics or business intelligence. ओके, डेटा वेयरहाउस एक टर्म आपको मिलेगा, वो अपने आप में एक एरिया है, दैट इज नोन एज बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस. नाउ व्हाट इज बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस? This is the area by which means this is the area where we discuss all those techniques by which we may find out some hidden pattern from the data that is being associated with our organization. तो मैं सिंपल सेंटेंस में इसको कैसे बताऊंगा? बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस एक ऐसा एरिया है जहां हम वो सारे टेक्निक्स के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं जिसको यूज करके अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो मैं बोल रहा हूं, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सम कंपनी, सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, and they are very big company, no doubt, like Google, IBM. Okay, this suppose Amazon, this big companies I am talking about. और ये जो टेक्निक्स है, इन टेक्निक्स को यूज करके वो क्या फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? कुछ हिडन पैटर्न्स. अब वो जो हिडन पैटर्न्स कुछ भी हो सकता है, लाइक सम आइडिया about how the profit is being retrieved from our different product. Okay, how the loss may occur with respect to some particular products. तो प्रॉफिट किस किस प्रोडक्ट से हो रहा है, सपोज लॉस किस किस प्रोडक्ट से हो सकते हैं, ये सारे चीज एनालिसिस करने के लिए हम ये पार्टिकुलर एरिया बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, अब जो ये बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस है, हम ये तो एरिया है, और ये एरिया किस डेटा के ऊपर काम करेगा? On which data this data business intelligence this area is going to operate on? That is the data that we kept in data warehouse. Now got it? So data warehouse में हम ऐसे डेटा को रखते हैं जिसको एनालिसिस करके हम अपने कंपनी का प्रॉफिट और लॉस ये सारे आइडिया लगा सकते हैं. और इन कंप्यूटर से अगर कंप्यूटिंग के भाषा में बोलेंगे तो हम कुछ हिडन पैटर्न फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. कहां से? वो सारे डेटा जो हमने कहां स्टोर करके रखा है? डेटा वेयरहाउस में. So now guys, you tell me, are this term, I have discussed many terms, okay, business intelligence or business analytics, and then I have discussed pattern, and then they have been associated with data warehouse. All this term now you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So if you want to know more about data warehouse, then my one class is parallelly going on, that is data warehouse. You may watch it, but for your SEM, it is not necessary actually. I'm just giving you a brief idea because currently you are in second SEM, so it takes time to go to that SEM. But still, I hope that you have overall got an idea about what is data warehouse. In short, I'm keeping the data of our company in such a way that we can retrieve some important information or some hidden pattern out of that data by applying some techniques. Okay, and in that way we may find out those means profitable pattern from our data. Got it? Now, pattern matching in SQL is performed using a clause that is known as match recognize clause. सब लोग लिख लेना, मैं पूछ सकता हूं अभी थोड़ी देर बाद. मैंने कौन सा क्लॉज के बारे में बताया आप लोगों को? मैच रिकॉग्नाइज. ओके, मैच रिकॉग्नाइज, MATCH underscore recognize. So we are going to use this clause for pattern matching. This clause match recognize enables you to do some tasks like logically partition and order the data that is used in this clause with its partition by and order by clause. ठीक है, तो ये जो मैच रिकॉग्नाइज क्लॉज है, इसके साथ हम कुछ और क्लॉजेस यूज कर सकते हैं, लाइक पार्टीशन बाय, लॉजिकल पार्टीशन करने के लिए, या तो ऑर्डर बाय तो हमने अभी तक यूज कर भी चुके हैं. सो वी कैन यूज partition by clause for partitioning the data and order by clause to ordering the data. Okay, then define patterns of rows to seek using the pattern clause of the match recognition clause. These patterns use regular expression syntax. एक term मुझे फिर से मिला जो I hope that you know, but still I'll discuss that term, regular expression. Okay, these patterns use regular expression syntax, a powerful and expressive feature applied to the pattern variables that we define. Okay, now I have got a term regular expression. Frankly, tell me how many of you already know about this term regular expression? Don't worry. If you know, say yes. If you don't know, say no. No problem with that.
Sir.
Huh.
Sir, regular expression like a string what you said?
Yes. Means how you will define that. I know that this may be a string or whatever it is, but what is this exactly?
Sir, string is to pattern matching. I know only that part.
Very good. You have tried it. That's good of you. So regular expression. ठीक है मुझे एक से तो रेस्पॉन्स मिल गया बाकी से रेस्पॉन्स का वेट कर रहा हूं मैं आइदर यस और नो हाँ बोलोगे तो नहीं सब एक्सप्लेन करूंगा ना बोलोगे तो मैं इसको फिर से एक्सप्लेन करूंगा तो जल्दी बता दो कि जानना है या नहीं जानना है quick I don't have the time I can't wait
अच्छा जानना है
okay so फिर से मैं नाम लेके कॉल नहीं करना चाहता anyway so I suppose that you know this term because I don't get the responses so you know this so anyway I will check this you are going to answer me through comment that what do you mean by regular expression and you will cite some examples of regular expression. But let me remind you that you already got this term in your paper Unix or ULP. Okay. In that paper, you have used this regular expression to search some patterns or you can say some strings. Just I have given you an example. मैंने एक example दिया था कि मुझे वो सारे बच्चों का स्टूडेंट्स का नाम फाइंड आउट करना है जिसका नाम स्टार्ट हो रहा है किससे AB से ठीक है
Yes, sir, we got it, sir.
You got it. Okay. So but क्या है तो इससे आपको क्या मिल जाएगा Let me mute that participant someone is writing. Okay. So regular expression is directly related to pattern. But if we go for studying the regular expression, then actually it will take again one more lecture for this. Regular expression is related to, you know, finite state automata. Finite state automata. We can create an automata out of it. Okay, finite state automata, you know about that. So today, no more other question. I would like to know from your side that what is regular expression and how it is related to finite state automata. I will check this. Got my question, everyone?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
So मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ SQL में मैं कौन सा क्लॉज यूज कर रहा हूँ पैटर्न मैचिंग के लिए मैच रिकॉग्नाइज क्लॉज और मैच रिकॉग्नाइज क्लॉज में हम और क्या क्या क्लॉजेस यूज कर सकते हैं पार्टीशन बाय एंड ऑर्डर बाय ठीक है और डिफाइन पैटर्न्स ऑफ रॉ टू सीक यूजिंग द पैटर्न क्लॉज ओके पैटर्न क्लॉज यूज करेंगे और देन these patterns will be using what actually some regular expression syntax and then we can define or specify some logical conditions required to map a row pattern variable with define clause. Define clause तो हम हर जगह पे कुछ particular चीज को define करने के लिए ही use करते हैं. Like in this case, we are defining logical conditions with the help of define clause. Then define measures, which are expression usable to other parts of SQL query in the measures clause. Now, can you see this graph?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this graph will be? You may see, you may observe, if you notice carefully, you will see that this is showing some duration or some times, okay, some dates, like 1st April, 2nd April, up to say 20 April. And this is what you will see that this is a kind of stock pattern. ठीक है, दिखाई दे रहा है. For every day you will find a dot here. ठीक है, डॉट दिखाई दे रहा है. अब
Yes, sir.
अभी तक के बस ये ग्राफ को देख लो. ठीक है, स्टॉक चार्ट हम बोल रहे हैं. दिस ग्राफ आई एम कॉलिंग इट एज ए स्टॉक चार्ट. ओके, now with pattern matching we try to identify price pattern. प्राइस पैटर्न को हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे लाइक वी शेप एंड डब्ल्यू शेप. वी शेप एंड डब्ल्यू शेप इस ग्राफ से आपको मिल जाएगा. देन सम टाइप ऑफ कैलकुलेशन. नाउ इस ग्राफ के बारे में आज तो 3 बज गए हैं और इसको कैसे करेंगे we'll see in the next class. ओके, बट आप सभी लोग इस ग्राफ का एक बार स्क्रीनशॉट खींच के रखो. ठीक है, कुछ practicals है. We need to go through that practical also. So you take a screenshot of this. Okay.